Man, so you guys, this thing right here, $100, best $100 you'll ever freaking spend. My experience has been amazing. Comes with the turbo nozzle, comes with the soap bottle. They both work great. Doing my bike right now, couldn't be happier for $100. You gotta be freaking kidding me. Everybody else was twice the price. This little guy's getting her done. The soap's already settled, but dude, you can see it on the floor. Plenty of pressure, plenty of power. Super happy with my purchase. Get you one of those.